G'day, today we're going to fit off a RJ45, a male end, which is one of these. This you can make into data cables for your computer, internet, any real data systems usually run off these ones. Alright, so you want side cutters, a data cable cutter and the fit off tool, and some Cat 6. So you start by trimming the edge. I like to give it about 20 mil, go around like that, break it off. So then you got it like that. Then you take the ends, you open them up. Trim off the middle divider. And then the threaded part as well, the cloth. I'm going to get that as low as possible. Then you get the ends and you want to twist them. Like so. This just makes it easier to, when you're fitting it off and you want to get them straight, the longer you have them now, the easier they are to maneuver. So you straighten them out. Go like that with your fingers. Just straighten them out. That will really help later on. And then you want to follow the color code, which it starts with green and white green. So I get that over to that side. Next one is green. You can look up the color codes on Google. Just do RJ45 male colors. And then the next one is white orange. So you can do that like this. Next one is blue. You sort of want to get them out of each other's way, like that at the start. Straighten them out a bit. This is why it helps to keep them a bit longer. And then you've got white, blue. So that one can just come out here, like that. You got orange. Orange is always the tricky one because it comes from one side to the other. Go like that. Keep them all pretty straight. Makes it easier. And then you want white, brown. And the last one, you want brown. And you've got them all straight now. Now you've got to get the length, what you're going to use for here. So I'm going to cut them about there. Give them one straight cut. It needs to be straight. You get them in. You want to hold them so you can get them all in. They have to be in their perfect color code because they line up. If they jump from one to the other, they won't work. Then you push it in. Give it a bit of slack. Make sure you check your connections. Yeah, you want to check to the top. Yeah, that looks good. Then you want to get your punch down tool, put it in like so. Then you want to push until you hear it click. And there you got it. So that's all done.